Why does your scanner show the P1343 engine code? What does it mean? P1343 is a diagnostic trouble code for misfire cylinder 1 with fuel cut off. It indicates the ECM has detected faulty acceleration losses of the crankshaft during firing segments of cylinder 1. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty spark plugs or ignition coils, fuel injector issues, compression problems, vacuum leaks, engine sensor issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.